Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is April if this is your first time here, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I like to do my wing liner. I have been asked many times throughout the years, how do you do your wing liner? What do you use to do your wing liner? How long did it take you to learn to do your wing liner? So all that is covered today. I will say it did take me years and I still mess up from time to time. Like what people see with my wing liner, behind the scenes, it's a lot of wiping off, putting back on, wiping off, concealing, putting it back on. It's a lot. So don't forget that wing liner takes practice. It's not something that you're gonna get right away, and it's okay if you mess up. It's just makeup. Wipe it off, take some concealer, clean it up, and draw it back on. It is okay. But I want you to know that, people like different things to do their wing liner. Not everybody likes the same thing to accomplish their wing liner, and that's okay. What may work for A may not work for B. What may work for B may not work for A, and that's quite all right. So just try different things and see what you like, and take your time and just practice. It is okay. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I've uploaded a video to YouTube. And please don't forget to comment and let me know you were here. All right, guys, so now let's get into these wing liners. Okay, guys, so I'm getting ready for work. This is why I look like this, but I promise I won't look like this in the end. So a couple things about wing liner. There are different things that you could use to create your wing. I prefer to use a liquid liner like this versus using like a gel that's in something like this. And with the gel, you can use either like an angle brush or a thin brush like that, which that's how I started out when I did my wing liner. A few years ago when I started doing wing liner, I started out with a gel. I remember my very first time I started out with a liquid and it got all over the place and it was waterproof and it took me forever to get off. So if you're just starting out, make sure that you start out with something simple as like even a smudgeable eyeliner to just draw it on, and then take the ankle brush and like just drag it out. Or you could start out with a gel, okay? And with a gel, it is a lot more beginner friendly to work with because it's not wet and it's not super messy. So I'm actually going to show you how to do it with a liquid liner because I haven't used gel in so long that I probably wouldn't do a good job for you guys, and it would defeat the purpose of the video. So I'm going to actually just go ahead and do it with this. So the liquid liner that I'm going to use is the MAC Cosmetic Brush Black Brush Stroke Liner. Now there are plenty of liquid liners out there on the market. It's just finding which one works for you. I like this brush because it's more flexible. Sometimes when they're too stiff, I find it's hard for me to make the wing at the end. So I prefer something that's a little bit more flexible. I'm actually gonna hold my mirror down and I'm resting my arm on my table just to give my this arm some stability, and this one I keep more free. Now I know some people, they like to rest their drawing arm, I'll call it, and keep the mirrored hand more free. So I know some people start off with their wing and some people start off drawing the line. It's totally up to you, however you want to start your wing liner. So I actually like to start my wing first. I start drawing my line and I just literally have a line like that. Next I go to like not all the way at the point, but like a little bit below it, and I draw the bottom part, and then I fill in my triangle like that. And then I come to the front and I just lay the marker, I don't know what this is called, the pen, right against my lashes. So sometimes I'll go like all the way into my tear duct, but sometimes I don't. It's just literally however I'm feeling. Then I'll go through and straighten that line out like that. So I like my wing liner sharp, so I'll go in with some concealer, and then I'll take a flat synthetic brush. This is MAC's 212 brush, and I like this because this is nice and flat. So I'll go in like that, and I'll just come straight up against the bottom. Like that. And then I'll just take a brush and drag the concealer down. And keep in mind, I don't have any foundation on. I literally just have on my brows and eyeshadow. So once I put the rest of like my face on, like this right here where you see like a line of concealer, you won't even see it anymore. But I do like to just drag it down and blend it out. Now, I like my wing liners like long, like fierce, long, thick, bold. I love me a super dramatic wing liner, but that's not for everybody, and that's fine. It's up to you to find like how long or how short or how dramatic or how natural you want your wing liner to be. Now, keep in mind when you are drawing it, you want to start off with the most pressure right here, and then as you're going to the like little tip of the wing, you want to release your pressure because you don't want it to be thick from base all the way to the tip. That's what gives it that effortless wing effect, is going from thick to thin, okay? And if you mess up, like it's thick all over, again, just take your concealer, straighten out that line. The thing with wing liner is that it takes practice, and when I say it takes practice, it's taking me years to really figure out the technique that I like to do with my wing liner that works best for my eye shape. If you have more hooded eyes, you are gonna have to kind of dip it more outwards versus up because your hood is going to cover the wing. So I suggest you definitely don't be scared. Don't say I can't do it, because you can do it. You can definitely do it, but you just need the patience and the practice, okay? And you got this. You can do this wing liner. I promise. I have faith in you. You got this. All right, guys, so this is the final look, and as you can see, my wings are pretty long. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.